Okay, here at the JABA Grill. So we've tried two of their burgers. One is the brisket burger, very succulent, juicy brisket, which has obviously been done in a slow cooker, and similar setup to the chicken burger with some creamy coleslaw and lovely brioche type buns. The chicken burger, the chicken is good square chunks of chicken which have got a lovely charred smoky taste to them, which all in all has produced quite a good burger. The chips are quite a delight, and there's a homemade tomato sauce with a lot of rosemary, and it's a strong rosemary flavour that does work with the chips. So all in all, yeah, JABA Grill, not too bad for a, how much for the burgers? $22, $24 burger. Yeah, thank you. Trying to run out of chicken there. The meat's not too bad there at all. Good smoky flavour to the meat too. They've got their own special sauce. Really good. To start with, we had squid, salt and pepper squid. Really nice, really fresh. So yeah, if you're popping by the Palms Mall, why don't you come to JABA?